ECN Trade Technical Webinar. Good morning, my name is Rob Clayton. Yesterday's advance in the Australian dollar failed to move beyond the resistance of 75.30.50 and from the retreat now looks towards a support at 74.40. If you look at the 4-hour time display, the stochastic is back in a negative formation and I anticipate a break of 74.40 would expose the target that I'm still holding at is at 73.50 and eventually lower down towards the 72.5 region. As you can see by the dailies, the fresh advances are not being supported by the indicators. So I still feel that any move beyond 74.95 towards 75.30.50 will struggle. And I still look to my favourite target of, as I say, 73.5 to 72.5 to 72.70. Well, the euro, since the bearish outside range day, the last 3 days have been weak. And as you can see, the overnight price action falls away again from that 111 region. On the day, I'm looking for a range of 110.25 to 110.80 and see further weakness with the current view still holding towards 109.5, which was recently rejected. A break of 109.5 would expose further weakness down to a potential target on the weeklies, if we can see here, of 107.40 to 107.70. Fresh advances on the day still expected to fail towards 110.80 to 111.30. Dollar yen is still very much in favour for a move to the downside, with immediate support holding at 110. After yesterday's failed attempt above 101, does support further weakness sub 110 with an objective towards 99.30 to 45. But as you can see, towards that 99 region was brief before, and we could see the BOJ intervene again. However, failing to sustain above 99.30 exposes a potential target of 98.5. On the day, fresh advances should again fail towards 110.80 towards 101.30.50. The sterling, after an impressive bullish move yesterday up to a high of 130.49, instantly gives it all back, and now we're back to levels of yesterday's open of 120, around 128.5 to 128.70. On the day, I expect to see further weakness and a move towards 128.70 support and lower down towards 127.70. Any fresh advances now should find resistance around 129.60 to 130.25. But I believe that from yesterday's failed attempt to the upside, the greater risk is still down towards that region. Although we didn't fully break under 128, I expect to see this level eventually give way and expose a potential target of 124. And wrapping with gold, well, the overnight fall quickly find, as you can see where all these peaks are, the trough comes in at 1,350. From the rally, I expect to see further bullish momentum emerge and look towards a minor target of 1366 and higher, with the objective still holding towards 1,384 to 86. In the event we see a move sub 1350, then we would see a tumble back to the recent lows around about 1,338, but I believe that the market will be bullish and continue its upside target of 1,384 to 86. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope you have a great weekend.